Hey, hoping you're having an awesome day. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can fully automate your text SMS follow-up using Google Sheets, OpenAI, or also known as ChatGPT, Make.com, and Twilio. So this should only take roughly about 5 to 10 minutes to set up. I'll walk you through every single step of the process, and from the variables, the stuff they need to add, the prompt they need to build for the AI so to respond, and then at the very end, you're going to get examples like this. This is a text I just sent to myself earlier. Hi, Alex. It's Alex from Jake Smith team. I noticed you're interested in buying a 2 to 3 bedroom home in New York. I'm here to help you navigate the NYC market. What's a good time for us to chat about your preferences? Looking forward to finding your perfect home. And that was all sent by AI. So I'm going to walk you through every single thing they need to do. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So first thing you're going to need is a spreadsheet or a Google Sheet with a bunch of leads, old leads, database leads, marketing leads, anything like that that you want to reach out to. And then you're going to want to upload it into your Google Sheets account. So if you have it as an Excel spreadsheet, just save it and upload it into Google Sheets. And then you need to make 5 fields here at the top. So you got name, phone, interest, city, and lead message. Name, phone, if you have any information about their interest, you can put that there. If it's blank, no problem. And then you got their city. Leads message could be stuff like what you spoke previously with them, what their interests are, stuff like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a dummy lead in here. We're going to give him the name of Jack. I'm going to put my number in here. And then we're going to say he's interested in selling his home at 123 Banana Road to downsize. Yeah, to downsize into smaller bungalow. And we'll say that he's based in Florida. And then let's say last lead message was spoken with Jack on the phone. He mentioned selling his property at 123 Banana Road to downsize and relocate himself and his wife to Florida. So now that we added this, what we're going to want to do is we're going to go to make.com. So first thing you want to do is you want to go to make.com. You want to sign up, you can click get started for free. You don't need to spend any money on this. The free trial gives you 1,000 operations, so you should be able to run this automation just fine since it only has 3 steps. Once you made your account, you want to go to the top, says changes, and then you want to click on create a scenario. And then once you're into create scenario, you're going to click import blueprint, and then you click choose file, and then you choose the file that you download at the end of this video, and then it should look something like this. All right, so now that I imported the blueprint, you'll see 3 steps: Google Sheets, OpenAI, and Twilio. So Google Sheets, you're going to want to connect your Google Sheets. So the way we do that is you're going to click add. It's going to click sign in with Google. You're going to bring a new window. You're going to click the account that you want to use, continue, and then continue once again. And then it should connect. So now you can see it made a new connection. It already pre-filled everything for me, but I'm going to walk you through anyways. So search by path, my drive, you're going to give this spreadsheet ID. So the spreadsheet ID is the name of the file that you're going to want to track. So for this one, I made a dummy one. It's leads John Realtor. So let's find that one. It's already selected, so that's all good. Sheet 1, because I do have one sheet here at the bottom. And then row with headers, you can leave it like that. You can leave everything like this, and then you click save, and then you click all. So now what we're going to do is we're going to connect your OpenAI. Now here is going to be a little bit more difficult, but just follow me and it will all make sense. So first you want to go on Google and you're going to type in ChatGPT API login. So if you don't have an account with ChatGPT API, you just want to create one. Once you create an account, you're going to have these 2 options here. You click on API and it's going to bring you to this page right here. So you're going to click on settings. You're going to copy the organization ID. And then after that, you're going to go to API keys, create a new API key, name it whatever you want. I'll name it AI text demo, select the project, and create secret ID. And then you copy your API keys in here. So I'll do it as an example. You're going to paste it here. I'm going to take mine. I'm going to blur it for privacy purposes. And then organization ID, you're going to copy your organization ID as well. So now you're going to see that it's going to make a new connection. And then, boom, then you're going to choose create a chat completion here, GPT and O1 models. You're going to choose GPT-4o, and then you're going to add message 1. So message 1 is going to be developer/system, and you're going to have to give it a prompt. The good thing is I already made a Google Docs for you where you can put this prompt yourself. And then row message 2 is going to be user, name, interested in, area, city, and then you're going to say write a warm and helpful SMS follow-up to this lead. Now you're going to click save, and now we're going to go to Twilio. So to connect Twilio, you're going to go to twilio.com. Make an account if you don't have one. All right, so now we're on Twilio. Gonna wait for it to load, and then we're going to copy 2 things here: the account class ID and the auth token. Once we put the auth token, we're going to have these options here. So I'm going to walk you through how to do it. I'm going to put the SID, You're going to put the auth token, save. So since I already have it connected, it's not going to let me do it. But after you connect it, you're going to have all of these options here. And you're going to click send a message from phone number. You do need to buy a phone number. Good thing is that you give you $15. So if you want to buy a phone number, you click on phone numbers, buy a number, and then you search for a number that you want to use. So any number from here could work for you. You choose the phone number. So I have it chosen already. Let me choose a different phone number for this demo specifically. I'll go ahead with this one. 2, you're going to choose the column from your Google Sheet, which is going to be phone. Message body, create a body. And then body 2 is result. The result, you're going to get it from ChatGPT. You just drag and drop it in here like this. And then after that, you click save. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move myself from down here at the bottom, and I'm going to click run once. So sending it to OpenAI, sending it to Twilio. And now, yep, I just got a message. Hi, John, this is Alex. Thanks for reaching out, blah, 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 blah. We'd love to help you with that. When will be a good time to discuss this further? Looking forward to chatting soon. So pretty simple. Took me 5 minutes. And if you want to implement this in your business as well, click the link, download the blueprint, import it, follow this video. And then as you can see, I'm getting all of these follow-ups for the Long Island one because I did put myself in here 3 times. So I should be getting the messages. And then if you need anything in the meantime, just comment AI and we'll help you build this out in your business as well. Have a good one.